In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a smooth, smart animate pill slider in Figma. We'll build a simple animated component using auto layout and smart animate, then preview it so you can see the motion in action. Follow along and pause as needed. Start by clicking the shape tool, then choose the rectangle. Click and drag to draw a small rectangle on your canvas. On the right side, look for the layout and sizing controls and set the size to 8 by 8. This will be the inner piece that moves. Change its color to black so it stands out. Right-click the rectangle and click Add Auto Layout. This wraps the rectangle in a frame so we can control spacing and alignment. Now resize that frame by dragging its edges until it reads 124 by 12. In the Auto Layout section on the right, make sure the alignment is set to the left. This ensures the inner rectangle will start from the left side. Go to padding and set it to 2 and 1. Keep the order consistent so your spacing stays as intended. Increase the corner radius of the frame to 32, which gives it that pill shape. Change the frame's color to white so the black inner rectangle has clear contrast. Then select the inner rectangle itself and change its corner radius to 100 so it's fully rounded. Copy this frame and paste it to create a second version. On the second frame, select the black rectangle and drag it to the right inside the auto layout container. This creates the end state of the animation. Select both frames. On the right side, near the upper right controls of the panel, open the Frame Options dropdown and click Create Component Set. Now click the first component and connect it to the second by dragging the prototype noodle. In the trigger section, choose After Delay and set the delay to 1 millisecond so the animation starts immediately. For animation, select Smart Animate. Set the easing curve to ease in and out for a natural start and finish, and change the duration to 2000 milliseconds to make the movement smooth and readable. Create a new frame on the canvas to act as your stage. Go to Assets, open Local Assets, and drag the component onto the frame. Finally, click Preview to see the animation play from the first state to the second. If everything looks good, you've built a clean, looping, ready pill slider with precise sizes, padding, and motion settings, all powered by Auto Layout and Smart Animate.